Onion seeds referred to as Kalonji or Nigella stevia, and also known as black cumin, which were discovered by the Egyptians. It has also been utilized by the Greeks for medicinal purposes in earlier days. In India, it's used to temper curries and pickles. These amazing seeds provide a special taste and aroma to the dishes. Aside from their flavor and aroma, onion seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with vitamins, amino acids, protein, and fatty acids, and is thought to own anti-carcinogenic properties. It also protects us from several heart diseases and is useful for elderly people because it helps in lubricating the joints. Below we will explain some health benefits of onion seeds. 1. Cancer. Decreases the risk of cancer. Some analyses revealed that Kalonji can kill breast cancer cells. It has high quantities of antioxidants, which help in neutralizing the free radicals that can cause cancer. 2. Digestion. Aids digestion. These are rich antioxidants that remove toxins from our bodies. They contain free radical repellents, which help in digestion and keep stomach issues at bay. 3. Oral hygiene. Oral care. Since ancient times, people have used these seeds for oral hygiene. They prevent bad breath, tooth decay, swollen gums, and so on. These seeds are incredible antibiotics and can kill germs. 4. Reduces inflammation. Increase your bone density. Onion seeds can increase bone density. Inflammation caused by various diseases and conditions like arthritis can also be reduced by adding it to your diet. 5. High cholesterol levels. Keep a check on cholesterol. These seeds can metabolize fat quickly and stop the accumulation of excess fat and bad cholesterol. It boosts cardiovascular health. 6. Stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers are painful sores that are formed in the stomach when the acid eats away at the layer of protective mucus that lines the stomach. Some investigation shows that Kalonji could help preserve the lining of the stomach and prevent the formation of ulcers. Kalonji can also be eaten raw, and you can add it to your dishes, or mixed with honey or water. Kalonji oil can also be diluted and applied topically to the hair and skin or can be taken in a supplement form.